The chance to party like a rock star? Right here. Available to consultants between the levels of senior consultant and advanced director. This 2020 first quarter incentive trip includes a stay at the world-famous Planet Hollywood Beach Resort in Costa Rica, situated on the beautiful Papagayo Gulf. Rock your business during the first part of 2020 to earn one of the 60 spots available for this 3-day tropical escape. Whether you spend your time snapping away at exotic sights, walking along beautiful beaches, or diving in turquoise waters, there's something for everyone in this Central American paradise.